Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 27th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had another crappy day today. I think I called the market up today. No, it did not go up. U.S. market is under some pressure from overseas. The Chinese economy is faltering a little, or probably perhaps more correctly is that it is in some kind, they're going through a correction too. You know, it's kind of, I find it kind of interesting that, you know, the Chinese is a communist government, but they have embraced capitalism wholeheartedly, and unfortunately one of the drawbacks of capitalism is the economies go up and down periodically, and China is probably going through simply a normal period of some contraction of their white-hot economy, and this is having something, you know, putting some pressure on the U.S. market. But I think we were due for a correction also, so I considered all this healthy, but regardless, it kind of hurt us today. We had, I think, negative 4,500 or something like that on Friday, and by the time we got out of it, we're down 11,000 on what we closed out. So that's not a good day for us. We have had a lot of pressure on our trading here. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down days in the Dow, and you know, we just haven't done very well with that, and it's been frustrating because we can't seem to stay out of the market. We keep picking up positions, and then those go bad. Just like today, we got 4 positions on Friday, and all 4 of those positions were negative today. In fact, got considerably worse over the weekend. So we haven't had the kind of standing aside that I'm used to when the market's falling like this. Now, the exception to that is today, with the Dow down 127 points. We did not get into anything today, and I'm feeling very, very happy about that. You know, my own analysis of the Dow is that probably it could go all the way down to 17,000. I don't see much support between where it is right now and 17,000. And given that we have no positions on at all today, I would love it if the darn thing dropped 400 points tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen. And I think realistically, after 5 down days in a row, I got to call it up tomorrow. Maybe I'll be wrong again, I don't know, but 5 straight down days in a row, it seems to me that we probably see some kind of a bounce, and I don't know if that's going to be good for us or not. I mean, as I say, if I had my wishes, the thing would go down 400 points tomorrow, but I don't think it's going to do that. Anyway, I got nothing good to show you. I'll show you a couple of the bad trades. This first one is in Sempra. I mean, we've had some decent trades with Sempra, but this isn't one of them. We bought this on Friday. Pretty close to the high. It closed against us, and bam, down it went today, and we lost just shy of $5,000 in Sempra. That was our worst trade. Another stock that's been pretty good for us has been EATC, but this was not a good trade in EATC. We had this huge spike up here on Friday. Don't know what was happening, and then it goes right against us right away, but it came back. So this is kind of looks encouraging. On Friday, it looked like maybe this was going to do something, but bam, we're stopped out with not a big loss, $1,600, but I'm glad we got out. I mean, look, this thing really went down quite a ways today after we got out. So I'm happy to be out of Yeezy. As I say, this was just not an kind of environment to make money today. I still remain optimistic because we've seen this Dow drop as much as it has, and this will turn around. This is not a bull market turning into a bear. It's just a correction, and I think it's a healthy correction. Anyway, that's the way it was. Oh, by the way, I got my website up. I sent all my customers email explaining that. It's been tough. I was absolutely wiped out. My backups were wiped out. I've had to basically create the thing again from scratch. But I'm kind of pleased with it. I kind of had some fun doing it this weekend. So anyway, I'm on a much better server now. I'm on a server that's going to make daily backups. I'm on a server that's much more protected against hackers, and so I don't think I'm going to have this problem again. Anyway, so you can look for my videos on the website if that's what you're used to doing. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.